Today we're at King's Wharf once again. We're going to do this wonderful slab today. As you can see, this place is coming up fast. These are the guys placing this beautiful concrete. They're doing wall right now, actually. Just finishing this wall.
Right on you.
Beautiful quality concrete. We do a lot of work in this beautiful Halifax, Nova Scotia. This is Mr. Oliver. He's one of our main men. He's been here about 30 years. This is precision concrete down there, and they do a splendid job. This is Dartmouth Cove, King's Wharf. Another wonderful pour. These are the guys that do the work. That's our nice Pomper 10, Big E10. Pumping with this Big Z 32 meter. Now he's going to do the slab down here. This is for today. So I guess we'll see you next time.